All right, we're on the couch with Slick Glide, and I got an air cleaner thing going on here with these Dougies.
7-9 Adam, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to CP at 127th and Adelaide. Barricade situation.
You ready? All right, let's do it. I've been getting a lot of messages from you guys, and you've been asking me why I bought the MJK air cleaner. I've been getting a lot of questions about air cleaners. So here it is right now with Lola, with Pablo. We're throwing it down. All right, guys, let's get right into it right now. Most of you are familiar with your stock air cleaner box. This is what most of us have on our stock motorcycle when we bought it from the dealership. This is inside. Obviously, when you open it up, you're gonna find your standard filter in there. You can see how small it is. It's super restrictive, and this box is sort of just the only thing that's letting the air in. Big thing about this filter too is, if you notice, right here where the breather bolts actually attach the backing plate, these rubber lines vent the blow-by oil directly back into the filter and directly back into the throttle body. So that's something that you obviously want to replace. A lot of guys will go directly to a Screamin Eagle product right here, which is your standard stage 1. This is a much better filter, obviously, than this one. As you can see, it's at least double the size. It's got a lot more air that can go inside, and it actually eliminates this air box, and you just use your factory cover. This Screamin Eagle air cleaner also has the same venting system on the breather bolts, which is 2 rubber lines that vent directly back into the filter. So this air filter right here, it's a friend of mine's. I wanted to just highlight how much oil is actually sitting in the bottom of it. I don't know if you guys can see that. You guys should be able to see that right there. You can see the 2 different colors. Once you pretty much take the jump from, say, the standard Harley Davidson stage 1 Screamin Eagle filters, you jump into a zone where you're gonna grab a full high flow filter, which is a complete filter all the way around, usually made by K&N or one of the higher end brands. This is a TRASK filter. There's a couple other companies who, or a lot of other companies who will provide you with a full high flow filter. The only reason why I pretty much decided to do this was because I wanted to highlight the external breather kit lines that you can purchase from some of the higher end companies when you're purchasing more expensive air cleaner. So TRASK offers a kit that you can purchase separately, where you're going to get some bungs and you're going to get 2 lines, and you're going to be able to vent all that oil that builds up like on this air filter from behind the backing plate, and it won't enter into here, and it won't go back into the throttle body. We have the MJK Performance one. MJK, he includes a whole entire system with his air cleaner kit, and that kind of just sort of gives you an idea of how it works and what it is. You get a small filter that attaches to 2 Y fittings, and that's going to drain all the oil out of there, and you're going to be a happy camper or happy performance bagger kind of guy. And yeah, that's pretty much the bulk of the comparison here. We just wanted to kind of show you the advantages of getting a more higher end intake and some of the things that you might not have been told at the dealer, or, you know, maybe you're interested in just upgrading. I know Pablo and Lola were interested in upgrading, and they were pretty excited about this video. Hopefully you guys had a blast. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, drop a couple comments if you have any questions. I'm Slick Glide, and I want to thank you for joining me and Pablo and Lola. Ride safe, have fun guys.